Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Tata Alexi walk-in drive going to be conducted on tomorrow. It's on September 29th, 2024, Sunday. So it is going to happen in MGR College, hosur. The date of the drive is like 29th September. The time is between 8:30 to 9 p.m. Sorry, 9 a.m. There are available rules for this recruitment drive is CNC department. They have the chem scanner, CMC process engineer, then for the assembly process engineer, and design analysis product design engineer. So for each category they have the required qualification and the years of experience. The tool room they have different category and different qualification with experience. Anodizing. So these are the requirements available in Tata Electronics. So you need to bring 3 copies of your resume, hard copies, one soft copy, then the experience certificates and educational certificates. Only the hard copies or soft copies are required. Then the last 3 months of pay slips. So all these things are required while you are coming for the registration. I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you.